Hello friends, welcome back to AIA PGT 2020 video mock test series by Friend of Health. So today in second episode we'll see 10 questions from pharmacy. So on the screen you can see 10 questions remaining 10 minutes. So as you know there will be 120 questions and 120 minutes, one question 1 minute in the real exam. So we'll go to the 10 questions of pharmacy today. So we are sure that by watching the series you will be benefited by getting previous or frequently repeated questions along with getting familiarized with the screen, which will help you to relax on the day of examination. So if you have missed the first episode regarding each possibility, you can watch the previous episode. This is the first question. The term alcohol has derived from word alcohol of which language? Latin, Russian, Greek or Arabic? So this is the first question. 9 questions are not visited. So we have the question palette here. So we have all the options here. 10 minutes are remaining. So in real exam the timer will be running. As it is a PowerPoint presentation, here the timer is not running. So we'll answer. As far as this question is concerned, it is an easy question because you can guess it. Many of you know al means it will be mostly an Arabic word. So it is alcohol and it is an Arabic word. You should not go for this kind of shortcuts, but you have to make columns for Latin words, Greek words or any other language, German words, Arabic words from the pharmacy, repertory and materia medica portion, and you have to revise it and you have to keep on revising for getting it right in the day of examination. So this question's answer is alcohol from Arabic word. So we will click the save and next. Then we can see the change in the question palette and your time is exhausted. The time is running and 8 more questions to visit, including these 9 questions. So only one is answered. So which one absorbs least quantity of medicine? Cone, globule, tablet, pellets. So we all know globule and tablet absorbs the medicine in good quantity, but we have doubt about pellet and cone. Many of the students, if you are an average student and you have not gone through the textbook of pharmacy, Mandal and Mandal, you may doubt what is a pellet. So we will go to the textbook of pharmacy, Mandal and Mandal. It's there in the Google books. You cannot download it, but you can go through it. So pellet means it is a small sphere and made of cane sugar, synonym for globule. Method of its medication is as same as that of globule. So cones. So this cones is very important portion as far as pharmacy is concerned, and its preparation, its size, its sources, its medication, everything is important. So here the question is from the absorb small quantity of liquid medicines. That is one of the characteristic of cones. So we will go back to the question. Which one absorbs least quantity of medicine? Cone. Cone is the answer. So we will save it. So see here, 2 are answered and the time is running. 7 yet to visit and third question is here. Common name of hydrastis. So whenever you study common names in materia medica, you can refer your pharmacy textbook because common names are a portion in pharmacy also. So we can expect questions from common name part. So whenever you read materia medica Allen's keynote, you can refer pharmacy textbook, you can refer a dictionary like Clark's dictionary, then you can refer Boric and you can add to the Allen's keynote. It is already mentioned by us in the previous video how to study Allen's keynote. So here the answer is orange root. Orange root. It is a commonly asked or repeated question. We can expect it in match the following as a common names, match the following, like all the roots they can ask one side and they can give the original medicine name. So they can ask for match the following, or as such simple questions like this they can ask. So common name of hydrastis is orange root. So see the changes, keep an eye on the timer. Always if you practice this in videos, it will be helpful for you. So Arnica montana is prepared under which class? The answer is 3rd class. You have to study the preparation under each class and the examples, and you have to make your own notes and you have to revise it. So the answer is 3rd class. Arnica is prepared under 3rd class. Direction to patient is given in which part of the prescription. So this is about prescription. That is also another important part. This is a very repeatedly asked question. So signature is the answer. Direction to patient is given in the signature part of the prescription. So we can see here the time is moving, the palette is changing. So if you click here, so 5 questions are answered and 5 minutes is remaining. Next question is boiling point of ethyl alcohol is. So the answer is 78.5 degrees Celsius. So everything about ethyl alcohol you have to keep on revising. Don't miss any question from the part because it is very important, and the answer is 78.5 degrees Celsius. Hahnemann made potency up to. So see the timer, see the changes in the palette, because this will help you in the day of examination. This is an easy question. Hahnemann made potency up to 60C. So see here, after clicking here, 7 are answered, 2 are yet to visit. The 8th question is here and the time remaining is 3 minutes. Cane sugar is used in the preparation of. So globules, pellets, simple syrup. Cane sugar. The question is about cane sugar. So answer is all. And we'll click it. So 8 are answered. CV means another important area in pharmacy. About abbreviations. So abbreviations, it will be helpful in practice also, in examinations. Every exam, one question will be there from abbreviation part. So CV means tomorrow evening. Refer the textbook for the Latin word what is CV, and the answer is tomorrow evening. So the last question, we can see here the question palette, all 9 questions are marked and 9 are answered here. So not answered, nothing is there. Marked for review, nothing is there. Answered for and marked for review, nothing is there. In coming days we will practice with tough questions. Like sometimes it can happen like the first question itself will be very tough one, but you have to keep in mind that for everyone the questions will be same, but for some easy question will come first, for some difficult question will come first. So keep you cool and relaxed and write. For that purpose only we are making this video, to make you relax and get rid of all the anxieties. So don't worry, and this is an easy question, a repeated question. Bryonia alba is prepared from roots. Roots is the answer. So by clicking here you can see 10 are answered, nothing to visit, and the time is almost 0 or almost over, and the 10 questions are answered. So that's all about today's episode on pharmacy, and keep watching all the episodes so that you will get questions and you will be more getting familiarized with the pattern of the exam or the real screen what you are going to spend your time 2 hours. Thank you for watching.